I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last. And to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah. Now that I've been put through
Wala na pang sautawan
I
na
never
yun.
got anyone's help.
Unang
I had to
kagat.
do it all myself. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I can play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is typical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
Silent naman. Ayun, wow.
I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
Yung
tough
estudyante
and
nga
wanna
natin
hate
dito
this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Sabado yun eh. Wala kaming ulam. Kuha na tayo tayong pechay.
Kinakain ba ng ilaw ko siya? Oo, tikman mo.
Ba, nung nagustuhan, ang sarap daw. Kuha uli siya, bunot uli siya ng isang puno. Ay ko, nasarapan ka.
Sarap ha.
Ba, malinamnam. Kasi yung kamatis, fresh. Lahat fresh.
Lahat fresh, saka walang ano, chemical. Uy, nakatatlo na ako. Galit-galit muna tayo. Sarap ha.
Baka kumakain sa ano ah. Ayan.
Kabilaan ha. Kabilaan yung
Kabilaan.
Oo, kabilaan yung camera natin ha. Meron doon, meron dito. Ayun. Nagustuhan mo na ba?
Masarap talaga siya, ma'am.
Sarap ha.
Sarap
Kahapon, nagpabigay ng sa birthday ni Ivan, hamburger. Sabi ko, ang konti naman ang lettuce dito. Wala yung lettuce doon sa garden. Kumuha raw siya, kasi lagay niya. Kasi yung mga hamburger parang walang gulay yan.
Wala
no?
na, ma'am. Wala na. Ito.
Kain lang.
At least may natututunan ka dito. Hindi ko kayo na ng ilong teka. Ngayon, yung kikwento mo ngayon yung sa magulang mo. Ma, kinakain pala ng ilong teka. Pero mo natutunan yan.
Ang sarap pala.
Sarap.
Panangalian na pala natin ito eh.
Fresh na fresh yan. No? Kamatis.
Lunch na to. Yan yung akong bigyan ng pagkain dyan.
Ano? Pag kumain ka ng kamatis, parang kang kumakain ng ginto.
Bakit?
10 piso isa mo. Kamatis. 10 piso isa. Yung ganyan kagaling.
Yun, yun o. Yun o.
Para tayo magsasanggip ngayon.
Oo, samgit yan.
Pero ang...
meatless.
Oo, walang karne.
Walang karne. Samgit lang na
Gulay lang.
gulay lang. O tingnan mo naman.
All
ah,
fresh pa.
Sa kaganda ng preparasyon ha. Kasi yung isang cellphone ko parang gagawin ko pang release yung preparasyon na yan. Sayang. Isang ginagawa, marami ka na magagawang video dyan. Hindi yan. Sir na, lagi pa na yung upload dito eh.
Putol-putol ko lang yun eh.
Hindi na uubusan ng upload. Sabi ko, sir, oh, grabe.
Putol-putol lang yun.
Pinuputol mo lang pala.
Para lang,
Technique.
para lang makarami ng ano.
May
upload.
technique pala yun.
Umangat na ng 2-3 na yung ano ko eh. Followers ko eh.
Followers mo.
Umangat na eh.
Okay, galing. Pag araw-araw mo ginagawa, kasi nakikita ka lagi.
Minsan kasi nahihinto ako ng 1 linggo, ma'am eh.
Eh, alam naman yung trabaho natin.
Mm.
Siyempre, nakita
Tapos, tuloy natin to sibuyas.
Wow.
Yan, sarap to.
Ano kaya nasa isip-isip ko dyan?
Masarap yung sa ano sa pasit kanto.
Pansit canton.
Sa
saka
noodles. Sa noodles, pwede din yan,
noodles.
di ba? Lagay. Ganun. Wow. Sarap naman yan, ha?
Hindi natin malagyan ng bagoong asin lang lagyan
Huwag
natin.
na, alat ng bagoong eh. Hindi ko na kaya. Bawal na pag sobrang maalat.
Ako pag naglalagay ako bagong, kunting-kunti lang ma'am, para lang may magkalasa lang yung ano.
Isda. Lasang isda. Naubos mo na yung ano mo, bagoong mo?
Madami pa ma'am. Kasi
Kasi
pinadalan ako ng kalahating balde nung channel.
grabe, baldi talaga.
Opo ma'am. Kaya binigyan ko nga sila ng isang ano eh, yung
Sa
isang
kantin, di ba? Ang dami mong araw binigay
isang
sa
garapon
kantin.
na ano.
Ang dami mong araw binigay sa kantin eh.
Kasi alam ng tiyahin ko ma'am, pag umuwi ako doon, bihira lang. Oh yan, let's get it on.
Ang ganda ng camera ni Sir. Wala, taubak sa camera.
Oh, yan.
Ganda, oh.
Parang-
Kaya lalapit ko yung camera ko. Grabe, mamahalin. Sorry. Mamahalin kay Sir eh.
Pahigaan na nga lang.